fix that? I don't know. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, welcome. My name is Madeline, and do not forget to hit that subscribe button because you clicked on this video for a reason, so you're here to stay. And if you're a returning subscriber, hey guys, welcome back. I have with me my housemate Josephine. And today we're actually just going to do the battle of the concealers. Maybelline have 2 different or 3 different concealers, I don't know, but I have one I prefer and she has what she prefers, and we're kind of fighting about it the other day. So I was like, okay, so we're going to make a video about these concealers. So if you'd like to see how we achieve this look with our various concealers, keep on watching. So we're done, well, not done, but we have prepped our brows. She has done her eyeshadow because she says she's very slow.
I am. It took me a long time.
So we're just gonna go ahead and apply foundation and then the concealer, so you guys can let us know which concealer is best. And the concealer, guys, don't listen to her. I don't know what difference is between this and hers, but hers, she said it's matte and dewy at the same time.
It does. I feel like it does both for me. I can make it do both. Like, can yours do both?
Well, I don't see how it would do both, because if it could do both, then they would not make 2 different ones. Ma'am.
They perfected this formula and like let this one go. I'm telling you.
Okay, this is my concealer and that is her concealer. So you guys are gonna let us know at the end of the video which concealer is better. Okay? Let the games begin.
I feel like people are gonna roast me about my makeup, the way I do my...
Why?
I feel like I do, like, the way I do makeup is just like whatever I feel like I want to do, and I'm lazy about it too, so I always take like shortcuts and
okay,
I'm like,
give me
this
one
looks
shortcut.
good.
Give me one shortcut.
Okay, so okay, just what I was telling you before the video started. So like, since I got mascara on my eyeshadow, instead of doing anything about it, I just left it.
I mean, like, how would you not know just to apply the shadow on top of the mascara?
Because
like,
I've worn glasses all my life, so I'm just like, my glasses will cover it. And now that I don't wear glasses, I'm trying to figure out how I can still be lazy. I think I'm gonna put on my concealer now.
Yeah.
My instant age rewind, the best of the best.
I really wish that I knew the name of this concealer. I'm gonna search for the name right now.
This concealer looks really light on me, but it blends easily. That's my thing. Like, it looks like, look, I know I look tacky right now, but...
Okay guys, this is just a regular Maybelline Fit Me concealer. Okay, this is the Fit Me concealer. Okay? That is just the instant age rewind. Like, when this came up again, Jackie Aina made a video about this. And then, like, so many other people made videos about it, how good it was. And I was like, let me figure out what they're trying to say.
Yeah, let me see what the buzz is about. And ever since then, it's been 2 years ago, and I have not gone back. So
we'll see.
I trust this concealer with my life.
I mean, at the end of the day, they're both Maybelline. But then one just has to be better. And it's mine.
You love to be wrong. It's so crazy to me.
I always do this thing where I put so much concealer and I think that it's not enough, and then I just find myself blending for like
so long. I do the same thing. I have like deep set eyes, so I'm trying to like hide that.
Oh, okay. Wait, when you say deep set, what do you mean? Do you mean like dark circles?
So like my eyes do, I have this, I don't know what this is called, but it goes like this to the point where it looks like I have like bags.
Oh, okay, yeah. okay.
But it's just how I was born. So I feel like concealer is like really important because you need to hide all that.
Are you ready for school?
No, I'm not. I am not ready for anything. I just want to lay down and just
actually relax before school starts.
Right?
It's like, I just finished unpacking 2 seconds ago. Can you give me a little bit of a break?
Because you have too much things.
Well, it's not really my fault that I'm into fashion. I just want to stay updated with my style.
Look, ma'am, we had to bring 3 cars to unload
it's not
all their stuff.
Not all my stuff, guys.
It was mostly hers.
No,
most of the stuff was hers. Let's be
Let's
honest.
be honest. No, it really was not. It really was not, because literally all my things could fit. It could have fit into your car.
No, it would not have.
It could have. Because
it would not have.
Trust me, if we actually did do it properly.
Oh,
definitely.
Let me tell you, no, it would not have.
God.
I thought I had a lot of things, but when I saw your things, I was like, you know.
Do you know what the thing is? Is like every single thing that I have right now in my room is from first year. So like I don't have a house to take the things back to. So I always have to bring them back every single year, because I don't have a house that I'm going to. Everyone has like somewhere that they're going to, like for a break, so they can take their things back and all of that. But me, no, I have to keep everything in the storage. So it's like everything from first year. You cannot blame me. You really can't.
I use a brush and a beauty, because I feel like the beauty blender makes it less messy when you're putting it on. And then like when I want to blend it in, I use the brush.
I don't even like using a lot of the powder. That's why I use a brush, so that
you get less.
Yeah,
that's good. Especially which powder you use. You use Sacha, right?
Yeah.
What does it do? Is it like a
it's like for me, the reason why I use Sacha is because it just blends like so well. I don't have any issue of okay, I have to apply it 10 times for it to be okay. And then also it doesn't give flashbacks. Sacha is like the no flashback queen.
I don't contour.
Really?
Yeah, I feel like I should learn, but
it's not that hard. I used to contour before with like the liquid, just like my concealer, but I just stopped and I just only use the powder, because I just feel like it's just adding unnecessary product to my face.
Yeah, that's my thing. Like I want to do my face. It already takes me an hour. I don't want it to take
12 years.
Yeah.
You want me to apply some contour for you?
Yeah, would you like to teach me? I would love that.
So you want me to do it for you, or you want to learn how to do it and then do it yourself?
I want to learn. Okay, so I know you cut your cheeks.
How do you cut it?
Like doing this, and then like going around there. I know like something around your chin, but I don't know like where around your chin. You don't do that.
The only reason why you would do that is if you put your concealer on this side as well. So like you can cut your cheek using your concealer or your contour. So people have it here, and then they also have it down here, and then they now put the contour here, and then they also put it here because they had the lighter part here. But anytime I only just put it up here, I never put it down there because I don't have any concealer down there. That makes sense.
So where do you put it on the top?
So you just go, so it's basically just supposed to be like this, right?
Yeah. It doesn't seem too hard, I feel like.
And then I also put it down here.
Okay. Yeah, let me try. Watch me look like a mess. Oh my gosh. Okay.
Don't use too much. Like start with little. I didn't say just dab it. I mean just like take. Okay.
Ooh. I do this, right? I'm not seeing anything. This is gonna be like the first time I tried on highlighter and I was like, I can't see anything, and then by the time I was done, I was blown. I don't know if I'm doing this correctly.
Let me see. Looking down. Yeah, but then you wanna also bring it like don't just like make it harsh, because then it's gonna look like a straight line. So then you just blend everything out, and also bring it here. Did you put concealer up here?
No, I don't.
Okay, then you wouldn't really need to.
Okay. I know a lot of people who like that like straight line look.
Yeah.
It's so ugly.
I know, it's like
what are you
yeah. Like why?
Yeah, you really looked in the mirror and said that was okay.
and your friends just looked at you and smiled.
Oh no, what?
Those are not those are not your friends, sis or bro. I met, like, there was this person that I met and she said that she does not apply blush at all because, like, she's dark skinned, so like it wouldn't show. And I'm like, no, that's not it.
Never ever ever think that you're too dark to wear
Blush.
anything. Honestly, you're never too dark. Like, there's always a company who's trying to get your coin. So always just find the companies, find the blush, find bronzer. You'll find it. Like, blush is an elevation. I feel like blush does
everybody,
right? It does everything. It adds this crazy type of color to your face. Like,
so what do you think? You don't know?
I don't know yet.
The other side, let me see.
I see something,
But you don't see like what you want to see.
I don't know what I want to see. I don't know if I want to be like, you know, like model chin.
What were you reacting to in the Juvia's?
So I basically get a reaction to all reds and pinks and like purples. So that's like of every palette. And Juvia's is just like, it's like all of their, like what they use to get their pigment are those reds and those purples and pinks.
So it's in everything.
Yeah. I haven't done this with combo in a long time and I feel like it's gonna look ugly.
Girl, believe in your sauce, okay?
I don't know, because I used to have some bad sauce.
Is it just me, but I like using the color of the blush that I'm like, if I'm doing purple eyes, I want to use purple blush. That's if I have purple blush.
Yeah, I like it to match.
Guys, we're in a time crunch because Miss Ma'am over here has to go to work at 3.
Girl, I'm about this money. I don't know who you thought I was for. I'm about this money. I'm about this bank. Okay.
Do you put highlighter on your brow bone?
Sometimes if I feel like, you know what, I'm trying to stun these people today. I love this foundation.
Maybelline
24 hour. Like, I'm really upset for winter to come and I can't use this anymore.
Why not?
Because like it's more like a matte feel and I don't like to feel matte in the winter. But this foundation lasts so long. Like, it's crazy.
Like the wear or?
The wear, like, I don't look dewy until about like 12 hours. And I have the Fit Me foundation too, and that one I start to look oily after like 4 or 5 hours. So
is that the Fit Me Dewy or?
The Fit Me Dewy and the Fit Me Matte, cause and I like looking dewy, but I don't like looking like I'm melting.
Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching this. Thank you guys for sticking with us. Let us know whose concealer you prefer, obviously mine, and let us know let us know whose makeup look you feel like you would rock. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching.